Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we happen to have a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over your headlights and how to replace all the lights that are in this headlight assembly. Inside this headlight assembly we have right here, which would be a clearance or marker light, sometimes referred to as a parking light. That one is actually burnt out, so we're going to replace that. This one here is a blinker end clearance, so it's a double element bulb. It's inside of there to be replaced. This one right here is your low beam headlight to be replaced if you need to replace that. And this one right here is your high beam. So those are the four light elements that are inside your light headlight assembly on your Toyota Camry. And now we will go over how you replace each individual bulbs. But now we'll go over how you replace them. There's enough space behind here to be able to reach in and to get things done without having to remove the whole headlight assembly itself. Some vehicles you have to remove it because it's just too tight back here. And that we'll go over that process in another video. But this is the passenger side or the right side of the vehicle that we're going to be discussing. The other side, you can do most all of them. You just might make it just easier on yourself and just remove the battery. But to start with, this is the high beam headlight, and you're just gonna, it works out best if you undo the electrical connector by pushing the crimp, pushing it down, and then we just undo that electrical connector, then just twist it 45 to the counterclockwise and then pull it out. This is a 9005 light bulb that goes in the headlight or for the high beam. And so when you get your new one, you put it back in, you do your best not to touch this or wear gloves, essentially clean gloves, to be able to put this back in. Then you're going to want to put it back in the same orientation, and you put it, and this had the electrical connector going down, and the tabs here are all different size so that it will really only go in one way. So you're going to just put it in, and if it's at the 45, the same that you took it out, then you're just going to turn it to the right 45, which is clockwise, and then just connect the electrical connector back up. And that's how you replace your high beam headlight on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.